In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail account password. Changing your Gmail account is essential when you have a suspicion someone is using your Google account without your knowledge. In this episode, I'm going to show you a quick steps on how to change your Gmail account. On your phone, navigate to your Play Store and make sure your Gmail app is up to date. After that, proceed to open. On the top right corner, click on this icon. Then navigate to manage your Google account and click it. Proceed to locate security and click there. Then under signing into Google, you will see password. Then proceed to click on password. After that, you need to type in your existing Gmail password. Then proceed to next. On this interface, you have to provide your new password that you want to change to, and then you have to confirm the new password in here again. After that, proceed to change. If this is your first time to this channel, consider subscribing. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.